had this idea of writing poetry on the street with sand. It would then blow away, wash away in the wind. I liked the idea of art being temporary, so I built a prototype, and it worked, to my surprise. Over a week or so, the sand slowly washes away, leaving no trace, and people are fascinated to see the words emerge from this strange machine, from such a simple and ancient substance. Right, this is the sand printer, and in a separate video I've got it showing it in action, and here I'm going to talk about how it's built and how it works. So we have a hopper which is made out of foam, hot glue, cardboard, and on the front I've got an Arduino and separate power supplies for the servos, which are mounted at the bottom. Each servo opens and closes a little hole that will let the sand out as it moves along. There's a wheel with light sensors, you can just see them in there, that will give me wheel position so I can know as the device is moving along when to drop sand. There's a small ESP8266 Wi-Fi unit that I have just hooked in straight into the serial bus on the Arduino, so that I can look at the interface, the serial terminal on the phone, so I can select things on the menu and such. The big dial is just a display that tells me I can select various lines of text to print. Got voltmeters, power supply. It did need separate supplies for the servos, otherwise when they all move at once there's a bit of a voltage drop and the Arduino sometimes can crash. At the top here we've got, this is just really a keyboard, so with the leftmost one I select how much sand to deliver as it's moving, and the rightmost one I select which line of text to print, and yeah, when I say to the right it means ready to go, 3, 2, 1, and then the dial becomes a speed indicator. And as you can see, I've got no sand in here at the moment. It opens and closes the ports to let the sand out. So I've got a little menu, tells me what the current message is, what the current speed, how long the message is to print. I can list all the different messages that I've pre-programmed to print and their lengths, and then, well, and a custom message, so quote, hello world, quotes, and start printing. There we go, message is complete. So I put some sand in and demonstrate it. So here we go, going to print a custom message. complete. Other useful things I have on this device are a list of what I need to remember when I go out in the field writing poetry. There's one other essential item of equipment. Use it all over again.